Hey there, Kent Otott, back here in the backyard of Concordia Chevy-Buick and a recent trade-in. It came in last week. We gave it a quick oil change, got it ready for the shop. Matter of fact, I'm going to have Brett take some photos of this truck, so you'll get to see some nice photos on our website, everything like that. A friend of mine traded this in. He wanted to go from a pickup truck to an Equinox. We were able to accommodate that deal. Tell you what, this is a 2021 Chevy Colorado Redline Edition. That means it has some extra little treats on it, little highlights and stitching and everything along those lines. Cloth interior, it's black. This is the buyer's guide. We'll put it on the dash. I'm not going to throw it in the window right away. Let's look at the features inside. First of all, 6,050 miles. Well, 6,049 is what's on the odometer right now. A test drive will take care of that. Four-wheel drive, power windows, of course, power locks, remote start. You got heated seats up front for your driver and sweetie. Trailer towing feature right there. You can throw her into a tow haul mode. Heated steering wheel. We don't need that today. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. There's your backup camera for you. Want to take a look at a little trailer guidance line, that is there as well. Hit the home button. You can Bluetooth, of course, all your favorite radio stations. Hit that little home button. What else should we show you on here? That's those two features on the screen. You have seating for 5 total, 2 up front. Nice armrest with a place for donuts or Twinkies, whatever you want. There's your 12-volt charger. There's USB ports. Nice cup holders. You got good floor mats in here, all-weather mats. Let's hop out and do a little walk around. We're 2 minutes in the video. Now, one thing that my friend did on this truck is he got the neat little steps here. I don't know if that shows up well in the video. The red highlights make it the Redline Edition there on the wheel. Nice little thing. Walk around. It just purrs. It's the 3.6 liter V6. Now, let me tell you something. In 2023, all the Chevy Colorados are going to be the 2.7 4-cylinder. They're going to have 3 variations of that motor. So if you're wanting the 3.6 V6, this is the one to get. Okay, 2021, that means with 6,050 miles on it, that means you still have factory warranty, folks, okay? 3-year, 36,000 mile. There's your plugs for your trailer. You have the spray and bed liner with the bow tie on it. The easy release tailgate, it just comes down real nice. My friend took very good care of this truck, okay? It was garage. It was cleaned on a regular basis. He took excellent care of this little truck. He just wanted a little SUV, so that's why he went with the Equinox. Now, this is not going to last for long. As a matter of fact, we thought we might have already had it sold. I'm going to call a guy on it later today. But tell you what, if you are interested, give me a shout here at Concordia Chevy-Buick, 785-243-8656. That's my phone number, okay? Four-wheel drive on this. Redline Edition, satin, steel metallic, beautiful truck, cloth interior. Some people go, well, Ken, I want leather. Well, you know what? You can have leather put into it, okay? I don't know what it costs anymore, but we have a guy that will do that for us. But here's a great old truck. So 785-243-8656. That's my cell phone number. Call me here at the store, 785-243-SAVE. But reach out to me. Ask about this 2021 Chevy Colorado LT Redline Edition 4-wheel drive 3.6 liter pickup truck. Beautiful steps on it. Spray and bed liner, Redline Edition. You have to see it in person, okay? What else should I tell you? Every once in a while, people go, Kent, why don't you get any good-looking vehicles in the same way that you're good-looking? Well, here it is. Okay, 2 good-looking things in one picture. Me, this 2021 Chevy Colorado. You should be giggling by now. Take care, and as always, have a great day.